Hi again guys, this is Joel here from joelwebsites.com. In this channel I'll teach you everything about web development. So in today's video I'll be talking about what exactly it requires to become a web developer. So many people think of becoming web developer, they don't know what career to select and all that. So web development is all about patience, endurance, and you always need to learn. So like all other careers, web development is the one where you have to struggle in the start. So some people think that you have to not struggle in the start, but you have to struggle in the start. For most of the cases, if you are lucky, then there may be a chance that you don't need to struggle. Other than that, you have to struggle. For example, I'm just saying that you might even have to work for free. Basically, you have to do as many projects as you can. You will be charged less. You won't get paid so high in the start, but initially you will have to struggle. But you will get to learn a lot in this. In this way, you will get to learn a lot. That I will assure you. So you have to just keep on doing as many projects as you can. So this will help you learn a lot. So you might think that I will learn and then start doing projects, but that is not correct. So you have to basically do as many projects as you can. That is the best way to learn. Initially people will think of before giving you any project, so that's the time you will have to show them your profile. A profile is where basically you will have to show all the recent projects that you have done. So they will basically check whether you can do anything similar. So they will be assured by looking at your previous projects about what is going on exactly and like how many skills you have. Based on your previous experience, people calculate how much knowledge you have. So it's always good to do as many projects. So this is again useful for showing others how talented you are. Without showing what you have already done in the past, no one is going to trust you. Sometimes it's always a good idea to create a website displaying all the skills that you have. There are many portfolio templates that are available online where you can showcase your skills. So this is how you showcase your skills to your clients. So it's always important to create a professional website that will showcase your skills properly. So this will help you get a job more easily. And through this website, just link up the other projects you have done. You can just link the domain, the website names and all that. So then people get a clear picture about what you have done, and so then they will be really happy to hand over the projects to you.